Welcome back to our channel Business by World. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Here we explore the fascinating stories behind some of the world's most successful companies. Today, we're diving into the history of McDonald's, one of the largest fast food chains on the planet. Let's start by answering the question, who is the owner of McDonald's? Ray Kroc is widely recognized as the man behind the global success of McDonald's. Born in Oak Park, Illinois, in 1902, Kroc embarked on a journey that would forever change the fast food industry. Before McDonald's, Kroc faced numerous setbacks as a milkshake machine salesman and even owned a few failed ventures. However, everything changed when he stumbled upon a small restaurant run by the McDonald brothers in San Bernardino, California. Inspired by their innovative, speedy service system, Kroc saw the potential for expansion. In 1955, he convinced the McDonald brothers to grant him the franchise rights for their concept. With Kroc's relentless determination, McDonald's rapidly expanded its presence across the United States. By the 1960s, there were hundreds of restaurants serving millions of customers. But it wasn't just about the number of locations. Kroc introduced a revolutionary approach to franchising, providing support and training to franchisees while ensuring consistency in quality and service. Under Kroc's leadership, McDonald's also pioneered innovative menu items that quickly became customer favorites, such as the Big Mac and Chicken McNuggets. Today, McDonald's has grown into a global fast food powerhouse, with thousands of locations in over 100 countries. But what is the net worth of McDonald's as a company? As of the most recent data, McDonald's boasts a staggering net worth of over $150 billion, making it one of the wealthiest and most recognizable brands worldwide. The success of McDonald's can be attributed to the vision of Ray Kroc, who turned a small restaurant into a global phenomenon. His emphasis on quality, efficiency, and franchising forever changed the fast food industry. And that concludes our exploration of the owner of McDonald's, how he became rich, and the net worth of the company. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories like this. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe.